Thanks.
Don't get me wrong. I'm not against marriage per se, but it'd take a pretty special guy to make me want to walk down that aisle again.
Yeah, it's not something you should enter into lightly.
It boils down to respect. People just don't respect the institution of marriage anymore. They have no sense of real commitment.
Well, I'd love to stay here and chat, but I'm right at the end, and I gotta find out what happens.
You dirty bird. How could you? She can't be dead. Misery Chastain cannot be dead.
Annie, in 1871, women often died in childbirth. But her spirit is the important thing, and Misery's spirit is still alive.
I don't want her spirit! I want her! And you murdered her!
No, I didn't.
Who did?
No one. She died. She just slipped away.
Slipped away? Slipped away? She didn't just slip away! You did it! 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 You murdered my Misery!
Annie!